Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Dear students, this is teacher Adam and this is another new lesson. So this lesson is the 38th lesson, and I say all of you welcome. So this lesson is related to a previous lesson. It's related to the 37th lesson, or lesson 37. So these two lessons are very related. So our question was, where are you? Our question was, where are you? أرض شرفت بدنا معلاد إني عشر كلا عصب عشر كم عشر كسديدي صدانات وحد الله يكسر دوادا مرك عشر كم حرير لي هاي عشر كي أن هروس اللي قلنا عشر كي تضبي صدانات مرك where are you كمه. So let's start from there. So where are you? So you can see there's a boy here. He's asking a question. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? He's trying to, maybe he's talking to someone and they're in different places. You see, this boy is here, maybe in a kitchen or somewhere, maybe in a dining room, and there's a man maybe in the kitchen, so they're in different places. Maybe he's calling him, maybe he's on the phone or calling him. Marka su'aal buu weydiinaya, where are you? Come here. I am in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen. Waxaan ku suganahay kitchada ama kushiinkan ku suganahay, madbaxan ku suganahay. Where are you? I'm in the kitchen. And as you can see this, and this is a young girl. She's trying to communicate or talk, ask someone, asking them a question. Where are you? She wants to know where they are. Where are you? Where are you? She's trying to, talk to these, I think is a man and a woman, maybe her father and her mother. So she's trying to ask them the question, where are you? She wants to know where they are. So where are you? Where are you? We are in the living room. We are in the living room. Marka we are, or la soo gaabiye way, contraction ba la yiraahdaa. We are in the living room. We are in the living room. Where are you? We're in the living room. Where are you? We are in the living room. Waxaan ku sugannahay qolka fadhiga. Where are Mr. and Mrs. Jones? Where are Mr. and Mrs. Jones? And labadan qof waa nin iyo gabadhiisa ama nin iyo xaaskiisa weeye. And me ama maye. Where are Mr. and Mrs. Jones? Marka magacyo badan uu su'aal laba qof doonaysa inaad ogaato meesha jooga waxaad aragtaa where are where are Ahmed and Farah? Where are Aisha and Hafsa? Where are Salman and Sulaiman? Where are Salman iyo Muhammad Maye, Abdurrahman iyo Isman Maye, and Hafsa iyo and Zainab Maye. Xagee ku sugan yihiin weye. Ninka iyo gabadha xagee ku sugan yihiin. Where are Mr. and Mrs. Jones? They are in the yard. They are in the yard. Waxay ku sugan yihiin daarada. Su-aasha ninkan baa weydiiyey and wiilkaa baa uga jawaabay. Where are Mr. and Mrs. Jones? They are in the yard. You can ask a question. Where are Muhammad and Ahmed? They are in the yard. Where are Farah and Hamza? They are in the yard. Let's continue. So I'm going to answer question 1 and 2 and 3, and you're going to answer 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9. saddexda ugu horeysa aanu ka wada jawaabana inta kale ardayga waxaan ku radaa doonay inuu ka jawaabaha uu soo qoro. And marka waxaad samaynaysaa su-aasha qor deetana su-aasha qor number 4 qor su-aasha qor jawaabta ku hoos qor number 5 qor su-aasha qor jawaabta ku hoos qor dhanka commentka xagga YouTube commentka ka doonaya su-aalaha inaad kaga soo jawaabtaan haddii la yiraahdo. And let's do it together. Question 1, 2 and 3. Where are you? Where are you? So he's being asked, where are you? Su'aal baa la weydiinaya, where are you? Markaad eegtaan halkan xaguu ku sugan yahay. And waa living roomka fadhigii weeye. And xaggana waxa weeye and some cupboard, some TV there. Where are you? I am in the living room. Where are you? I am in the living room. Where are you? I am in the living room. The next question, where are you? And you see there are many. If there are many, you use we. If it's one person, you use I. It is one, but where are you? I am in the living room. Where are you? You see there too. And where are they? Look, they're eating. You see the food? She's cutting something. They're eating and he's cooking some food. So this is their cooking food. She's preparing some vegetables. Vegetables, and then she's putting some food, that's chicken, into the oven. You see? A microwave, whatever. Where are you? We are in the kitchen. We use we because there are many. We believe in we واستعملنا. Where are you? We in the kitchen. حقيت كسوغنتي وحن كسوغنا هاي كيشدا. Where are Jim and Pam? So this is Jim and this is Pam. Where are Jim and Pam? We are in the, you see, they're watching TV, so this is probably in the living room. Where are Jim and Pam? We're in the living room. Where are Jim and Pam? They are. We use they are. ضد مقابل كل هذا يوحل الشمالية they. يجي Jim يو Pam مايه. Where are Jim and Pam? They are in the living room. They're in the living room. Where are Jim and Pam? They're in the living room. Sorry, students, dear students, I'm very sorry. I have got some cold. You see, my voice is not well, so sorry about that. Where are you? I'm in the living room. Where are you? We are in the kitchen. Where are Jim and Pam? We are. They are, because we're talking about them. Where are Jim and Pam? They are in the living room. So the question is now, look, there's a woman. Where is she? Where do you think she is? Where are you? That's for you to answer. Where are Mr. and Mrs. Park? Look, Mr. Park, Mrs. Park. Where are Mr. and Mrs. Park? Where are you? Look, wait, where is he? Where are you? The two of them, where are they? Where are you? Where do you think he is? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you and Ben? Where are you and Ben? Look at the picture. Where do you think they are? Where are Mr. and Mrs. Hernandez? So this is Mr. Hernandez and this is Mrs. Hernandez. Mr. one more than it. Mrs. one more. Where are Mr. and Mrs. Hernandez? So I want you to answer these questions. If you want, to answer these questions, go watch the video at home. Go watch the video at home where we're talking about, the home. So you can see this is the home. So we're talking about this lesson. The lessons, title is at home. So we're going to stop the lesson there, dear students. Until we meet next time, I leave you with Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
تدفعني نحو العليا والكون الواسع في صدري أحضنه أرضا وسماء يا ربي قد نلت منايا وبختم